Let's add a worksite from the Worksites page. Every company in Go Site Ready needs a worksite. Why? Because worksites are the backbone of the system, letting you assign jobs, set compliance, and handle reporting without breaking a sweat. Here's the setup. From the Worksites page, click the Add icon. Assign a company. Add a worksite name. Choose the holiday jurisdiction if you wish to utilize this feature in the job scheduler, and assign a color so it stands out on the job scheduler. And then hit save. Want to take it further? Round out a Worksite's profile by adding the site's physical address. Don't need an address? No worries. Leave it blank. Now you've got a powerful worksite record with real-world locations ready to streamline your operations.